Hey guys, let's recreate this tentacle animation in Procreate Dreams today. Let's go. Create a file. I choose square. Frames per second to 12, duration to 2. Press draw. I already have a ship template, so I place it on the track. The first empty frame can be deleted. Now click on the timer and choose the background color. Create a new track. Let's move on to creating the first tentacle. We'll make it 2 seconds long. We fold the panel into a flipbook. First, let's draw a red dot from which the tentacle will grow. And on the timeline, we apply full duration. Okay, on the new track, we draw a line directed to the left. Go to frame 12. To make it easier to draw, let's click on the timer and set up the onion skin. Now draw a line directed to the right. We go to frame 6 and draw a line in the center. And now we need to fill the intermediate frames to the middle and after, to the last line. Let's watch the preview. Now we need to loop this. Let's take the first frame to a new track and duplicate it. Now we put it back in place and place the duplicate at the very end. We repeat these steps. We draw a vertical line in the center and then fill in the intermediate frames. Watch the preview. Done. Moving on. Create a new track and choose purple color. On the first frame, draw a line that looks like an S. On the following frames, move it to the right, focusing on the red base. We gradually reduce the size of the upper part, making the lower part larger. On frame 4, the line is almost without the second bend. We draw 2 more frames, moving the line to the right. Now the line begins to bend in the other direction. Gradually reduce the upper part by analogy. The first part is ready. Let's watch the preview. We finish drawing the second part. We continue to reduce the upper part. Gradually, the line becomes without the second bend. Let's duplicate the first frame and place it outside the animation boundaries. And now we finish drawing the turn of the tentacle. Let's watch the preview. Excellent. Let's group all the layers with the red outline and turn them off. Let's see another preview. Next, we create a new track and start drawing the tentacle. We use the base we drew as a guide for the center of the tentacle. For convenience, I group the frames of this track and apply transparency. And also set up the onion skin. Okay, now we repeat this for each frame. Let's watch the preview. Let's group everything we got and turn it off for now. Now let's move on to the next tentacle. Its duration will be 1 second. Similar to the first one, we draw a point and apply full duration. On the first frame, we have a line tilted to the left. Let's duplicate it and place it on frame 13. On frame 6, we draw a line tilted to the right. And on frame 12, we draw a line slightly to the left of our duplicate. The duplicate can be deleted. And now we fill everything with intermediate frames. Let's watch the preview. So now we go to a new track and draw a curved line that looks like a hook. And immediately duplicate it and place it at the very end. In the next frame, we move mainly the lower part. Then, the upper part gradually straightens out, and the lower part continues to increase. In the next frame, there will be only one bend left, and then we continue moving. Here, we reduce the bend and begin to unfold it. In the next frame, he has already turned around and is moving to the left. We continue moving to the left. Gradually, visually bring him closer to the final frame. Let's look at the preview. Good. We need to group all the red layers and turn them off. Now let's move on to drawing. Similar to the previous one, we outline the tentacle. Don't forget to apply transparency to the central part of the tentacle. Repeat for each frame. And while I'm drawing, I want to remind you about the launch of sponsorship on my channel. You can get various bonuses from early access to the sources of all animations. Details in the profile. So, let's look at the preview. Great. The base for 2 tentacles is ready. Let's group all the layers of this tentacle and turn on the first one. We need to duplicate the group with the second tentacle. Let's look at them together. Now I want to arrange them in relation to the ship. I do it randomly, just as I like. And I also decide to duplicate one of the tentacles. Let's switch to the ship animation. I want to add some side-to-side swinging. To do this, I use Move and Scale on the group. And immediately set the same last frame and drag it 1 frame beyond the border. And by clicking on any point, I call the rotation control. Tilt the ship. Let's see what we've got. Okay. All that's left is to add water. Go to a new track and turn on background transparency. And start drawing a wave like this with the background color. Fill it with color. Apply full duration. Switch to default mode by clicking on the active icon and move the wave up and to the right. Next, apply Move and Scale. Set a keyframe at the end. can also set a frame in the center, and then move the layer to the left by holding the screen with your finger. Let's turn on the background and see the preview. Let's switch to the tentacles. Here we need to finish drawing the front part of the tentacles on the new track. I draw this for each tentacle frame by frame with a new color. Guys, next comes the stage with filling and refining the details. This is the animation I got. I added color, bright circles in front, and also moved the tentacles relative to the ship. What do you think? How do you like today's animation? Write your impressions and like it if you liked it. See you!